Tired of slow websites and unreliable hosting? Today, we're diving into a head-to-head battle Bluehost versus INMOTION hosting to help you choose the perfect powerhouse for your online presence. First up, performance. Website speed is crucial, so we'll compare server response times. Bluehost generally offers good speed, benefiting from its partnership with Cloudflare. INMOTION hosting boasts impressive speeds too, especially on their higher-tier plans. Next, let's talk support. No one wants to be left hanging when their website goes down. Bluehost's customer support usually answers quickly and also has a large number of articles and blog posts, while INMOTION hosting prides itself on its knowledgeable and US-based support team, offering several ways to connect. Who will win this round? Finally, the all-important pricing. Bluehost often lures users in with attractive introductory offers, but renewal prices can jump. INMOTION hosting tends to have slightly higher starting prices, but more transparent renewal costs. Both are easily installed. So, who wins? Bluehost is a great choice if you want affordability, while INMOTION hosting shines in scalability. No matter. Both are great options. Check out the links in the description for in-depth reviews and exclusive deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web hosting insights. #webhosting #BLUEHOST